What's up guys, PC here, and today we're going to talk about PaLM 2. PaLM 2 is Google's new large language model design, which has been manifested to perform a variety of natural language processing tasks, such as natural language understanding, generation, code generation, translation, and answering human-like questions. So PaLM 2 was announced in the Google I/O 2023 conference, and it is a successor to the original PaLM model, which was launched in April 2022. PaLM 2 is a family of foundational language models that has been trained on an enormous volume of data using machine learning techniques created at Google. According to Google, PaLM 2 supports over 100 languages, which, mind you, are human languages, and can perform reasoning and has the ability to translate code from, let's say you want a code to be translated from Python to SQL, piece of cake. And of course, multilingual translation capabilities. PaLM 2 is a super useful tool to be used in a lot of human scenarios, especially in STEM fields, because most of its training data has been done on science and math papers. So anyway, some of the cool features of PaLM 2 are, number one, multilingualism, as I mentioned. PaLM 2 is trained over 100 languages, including idioms, poems, riddles, and it can also pass advanced language proficiency tests to an expert level. Number two, reasoning. PaLM 2 can handle logic, common sense reasoning, and mathematics better than previous models. It was trained on a wide-ranging dataset that includes scientific papers and web pages that contain mathematical expressions. Number three, coding. PaLM 2 entails a coding enhancement of substantial significance. This notable update encompasses comprehensive training data across a repertoire of 20 programming languages used and specialized ones such as Python and Fortran. Okay, so let's say if we wanted to draw a comparison between OpenAI's GPT-4 and Google's PaLM 2. Well, it appears to be just on par with GPT-4 in some mathematical and translation and reasoning tasks. And according to the PaLM 2 technical report, it claims that it is actually better than GPT-4 at some of these tasks. However, in a cursory evaluation of the PaLM 2 version of BARD by Professor Watson, PaLM 2's performance appears worse in some cases with GPT-4 and being on various informal language tools. Alright, now let's talk about the application and usage of PaLM 2. PaLM 2 is expected to power over 25 Google products and features such as Google Assistant, Google Translate, Google Photos, Google Search. The list just goes on, with the most notable being the BARD chatbot. Google Workspace apps like Gmail, Google Docs, and Google Sheets will also benefit from the improved AI. There are also specific subsections of PaLM 2, which include MedPaLM 2 and SecPaLM 2. MedPaLM 2 is super cool. MedPaLM 2 has been trained with medical knowledge and can achieve state-of-the-art results in medical competency, being the first AI model to perform an expert level in US medical competency, and was also the first AI model to perform at an expert level in the US medical licensing exam style questions. Now, SecPaLM 2 is a specialized version of PaLM 2 that has been trained on security use cases. It is available through Google Cloud and can help analyze and explain potentially malicious scripts. PaLM 2 is accessible to the general public through Google Bard, which is the experimental AI assistant and the Google AI platform. Although I have to mention that Google Bard is not available in Monolith, so I don't really know if that makes sense for me to talk about it, but we'll just go on with the video. It can also be used to generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer logic-based questions. Alright, now let's talk about how PaLM 2 actually works. PaLM 2 is a neural network model that is trained on a massive dataset of text and code. The model is able to learn the relationships between words and phrases, and it can use this knowledge to perform a variety of tasks. PaLM 2 is still an experimental and can sometimes make mistakes, and it may not be able to understand all the time text as it is still in its development period, and it will become even more bug-proof as time goes on. To conclude, Google's PaLM 2 is a powerful language model that is expected to revolutionize natural language processing tasks such as natural language understanding, code generation, translations, and answering questions. It is designed to have improved capabilities in multilingualism, reasoning and coding, etc. PaLM 2 is expected to power over 25 Google products and features such as Google Assistant, Google Translate, Google Photos, Google Search, And PaLM 2 is accessible to the general public through Google Bard. And I should mention this one in the conclusion as well, that Google Bard is not available in Bangladesh, and as far as I know, it's not available in India either. Anyways, it would be accessible through Google Bard, the Google platform. In other words, life is gonna be fun. Thank you for watching.